फ्रेंड्स। सो हमने अभी मॉर्निंग में इट्स लाइक अराउंड 8:30 ओवर ईयर और इंडिया टाइम रहेगा 8 सिंस भूटान इज़ हाफ एन आवर अहेड ऑफ इंडिया। सो अभी कुछ 8:30 बज रहा है एंड अभी हमने रैप अप कर लिया है हमारा होटल का एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग। तो नाउ वी आर लीविंग फॉर थिम्पू। Thimphu is around 6 hours journey from here. It's going to be a long journey, and in between we might halt at some nature places and all. So I'll cover those portions also. You guys stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe.
My biggest supporters.
हमारा फर्स्ट ब्रेकफास्ट इन भूटान। हम फुनसुलिंग में हैं एंड यहाँ पे हम ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं। तो ब्रेकफास्ट काफ़ी इंडियन दिया हमें, टू माय सरप्राइज़। छोले भटूरे थे यहाँ पे। भूटान में हम छोले भटूरे खा रहे हैं सुबह सुबह। ब्रेड बटर जैम भी खाया, फ्रूट्स भी थे। बट या काफ़ी हेल्दी और काफ़ी अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट, फुलफिलिंग ब्रेकफास्ट किया हमने यहाँ पे। ब्रेकफास्ट हमारा हो गया बट हमारा बस रेडी नहीं था अभी तक। सो सारे लगेज एंड ऑल उसमें सेट करना था बस में। एंड वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रैवल इन दैट बस ओनली फॉर एंटायर 7 days। दैट बस इज़ गोइंग टू बी आवर whole and soul travel partner. By the time bus is getting ready, everyone is just chilling over here. Bhutan is the only country which has highest amount of forest land. Almost 70% of Bhutan land is covered in forest. So before visiting Bhutan, I had done few research about Bhutan, and in most of the articles they said that Bhutan is a mysterious country which exists in the parallel universe, and many people find it very enchanting, and it as if it's just coming out of the fairy tale or out of a storybook. And since I'm here, I can totally vouch for it. Bhutan is an amazing, it is a mysterious country. It is straight out of a storybook, and it is all sort of what I have read until now. And now I'm able to experience it live in front of my eyes, and I'm just more than surprised to see. In fact, more than happy to have visited here and to see it live. Bhutan is the world's only carbon negative country, which means it generates greater oxygen than what it consumes. So Bhutan, I could say that Bhutan is truly a land of happiness, as it rightly indicates on the happiness index also. Bhutan tops every time on the happiness index. It is the happiest country, and I know the reason why, since I'm seeing it live. Who can't be happy by living in such a place? It's so beautiful. It's so amazing. Not just the land over here, but the people over here are amazing too. There is a checkpoint before entering Thimphu, and Kale has already collected all our passports and identity cards. So here first verification of ID cards will be done before we are allowed to enter Thimphu. I found Bhutan's architecture very unique and very different, which obviously I haven't seen earlier. And the most amazing fact is that everyone over here, from small houses to big buildings, everyone follow this kind of architecture for windows and doors. All buildings follow a similar kind of architecture, and that's what it makes more beautiful.
आपका काम खत्म हो गया, खुश हो गया। ऐसे नहीं काम खत्म हो गया। अमित हमारे साथ।
Yes, guys.
First day मेरा थोड़ा माफ कर दीजिए। I was bit late today, not late, because it was lot of people in the terminal. It was in the queue, so that's why we took late time. So from tomorrow onwards, we won't be like that. Okay? So we'll be on time. So we are very sorry that way. And so, firstly, on the behalf of travel agent, and from two of our side, and our Niraj Guruji, Guru. Niraj Guru. So, from all of us, I'd like to thank you for choosing our country to your destinations, and I hope you will enjoy the tour for the trip.
Already enjoying.
Oh, is it? Okay. So, firstly, welcome to Bhutan and congratulations all of you. Yesterday itself, I mentioned that you passed through the interview. So, congratulations and welcome to Bhutan.
हाय गाइस सो थिम्पू की ओर जा रहे हैं हम लोग एंड द जर्नी इज़ रियली लॉन्ग अराउंड 1.5 आवर हमने ड्राइव किया है एंड जस्ट वी हॉल्टेड फॉर अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक बट द नेचर हियर इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग द व्यूज़ आर सो ब्यूटिफुल व्हेन वी वर डाउन व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड आवर जर्नी इट वाज वेरी हॉट बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही थी बट नाउ gradually when we are climbing up it's like it has become foggy now and it's really amazing. ये हमारी टेम्पो ट्रैवलर. So why are these flags all kept here like this?
So this one, we have two types of flags. So this one, the white flag, it represents for the honor of the dead person. So they have like a mantra, O Ma Ne Pet Ne Hum, okay? If we see like different colors, like 5 colors, red, green, yellow, blue and white, you will see, if you see those kinds of flags, so it's just for like we call it's a lungdar, which will be washing away the negative energies and which will bring your positive energy. So we will see. So हमने बोलते हैं ना पंचभूता, like five elements. So it represents 5 elements. Okay. So this one is for the dead person. So we have like in the script mantras. By looking through the mantras only, we will come to know that what flag it is, what for. So this one is for like a dead person. So on of the dead person, which is written Om Ma Ne Pek Ne Hu, the 6th syllable. So we will just go walk by the roadside to that side. The car, our bus will be waiting there to fresh up. Or, like should we take the bus?
Also, I have also heard something about this. Besides this, as in क्यों अच्छा तुमने देखा ही होगा generally जब लोग लगाते हैं across a mountain, across पेड़, bikes पे देखा हुआ. क्यों? क्यों? हाँ try.
Evil eye? As an evil eye?
No.
Is the
Go on.
should be always be.
Yes. So the idea is, for example, अगर आप खुले में रखोगे, so what they believe is because these are like prayers, right? So you're leaving positive vibes into the atmosphere. तो अगर वो breeze में उड़ता रहेगा, तो it's like you're just leaving out prayers and vibes into the atmosphere. इसलिए कहते हैं बहुत लोग realize नहीं करते जैसे गाड़ी के अंदर या घर के वो नहीं करना चाहिए. मतलब of course all of this is just belief, which fact नहीं है, but belief according it should always be in open area.
Okay.
अच्छा बाइक के हैंडल पे ठीक है, बट गाड़ी के अंदर नहीं
करना.
बालकनी में ठीक है, रूम के अंदर नहीं.
Some unknown fact. Hey guys, so हमारी बस पीछे है एंड गाइड सजेस्टेड कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा ऐसे बिटवीन द नेचर वाला रोड है. So we can, he suggested us to take this by walk, take a small walk over here. तो walk कर रहे हैं हम and it's pretty amazing. इस हवा में कुछ जादू सा है. जादू है.
नशा है नशा.
5 मिनट चलने वाले थे हम बट हमें इतना अच्छा लगा दैट हम अभी भी चल ही रहे हैं. इट्स बीन 15 मिनट्स एंड वी आर वॉकिंग. अब तो ऐसा लग रहा है थिम्पू हम पूरा रास्ता चल के चले जाएंगे. इतना मोटिवेटेड है सब लोग चलने के लिए.
And the view.
Yeah, the view and the climate over here. The cold is not cold. It's different. It's very pleasant.
But not cold.
No, it's not cold. It's fog everywhere.
Actually, it's
Yeah.
very pleasant over here.
It's like I'm sitting in a 22-degree AC. वैसा जैकेट नहीं लग रही है हमें बट
Shades of green.
it's all foggy. It's very nice. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful view. I'm just in love with this place. There's no view though, but the air. हवा, इस हवा में कुछ जादू है यहाँ पे. Guys, please ignore my messy hair and concentrate on the view behind. So यहाँ पे we have halted for some tea, but the views are really amazing over here. से वादियों में आए हैं एकदम. अभी तुम्फू के लिए कितना टाइम है हमें?
I think 3 hours. No, not
3 more hours.
4, 5 hours.
And it's already been, I think,
3 hours
3 hours we have left, and we have stopped like 3 times already. And यहाँ पे हम करीब आधे घंटे से just घूम रहे हैं यहाँ पे. यहाँ
15 मिनट की वॉक थी वो कंटिन्यू चली रही है.
वॉक के बाद अभी चाय के लिए रुके हैं. बट कुछ भी कहो, if you are a nature lover, then Bhutan must be in your top list because बहुत ही अलग views है यहाँ पे. The climate here is magical. You can see it's like just magical. It's all foggy. शायद नहीं, हाँ हाँ हाँ, यही है प्यार. ये वादियाँ, ये मौसम, बस यही तो है प्यार. हाय, हम यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं मैडम?
तो अभी हमें भूख लग रही थी, सुबह से ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, बहुत सारा गाना गा लिया, डांस कर लिया, तो नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ईट समथिंग एंड वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड थाली खेमा दाची बिकॉज हम लोग फ़ैन हो गए हैं.
कल हमने खाया था चीज़ चिली पटैटो.
सो होपफुली यहाँ पे भी हमें अच्छा दाक्षी केमा दाक्षी मिले. तो इट्स राइस, दाल एंड केमा दाक्षी वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड. सो लेट्स सी
How it comes.
We'll give the reviews.
Yeah, and also the hotel we are waiting for food. It has a very amazing view. मैं वो view दिखाऊंगी तुम्हें. भूटान में भी हिंदुस्तान पेट्रोलियम चलता है. सो जहाँ जाओ इंडिया तो है ही. ईस्ट और वेस्ट, इंडिया इज बेस्ट. हे गाइस, सो अभी तुम्फू का रास्ता इट्स मोर 3 hours left and we have halted over here to see a waterfall. The views are really amazing over here and Here's the waterfall. पीछे बस अभी क्या सबका फोटो सेशंस एंड ऑल चल रहा है. The view is amazing, guys.
Yeah, we reached Thimphu city after 8 hours of driving. I just love how it is surrounded by mountains all over, and the buildings, the painting of the building, the architecture of the building. It is so beautiful and so mesmerizing to view all this. Looks like we are going to have super fun in Thimphu city.
Hey guys, so we finally arrived at Thimphu city, which took us around 8 hours because we halted in between a lot. And usually ये 6 hours का drive है, but since we took long breaks, it took us so long. So now we will just freshen up and explore Thimphu city around. Tomorrow we'll be seeing the famous statue over here in Thimphu city, and this will be our hotel. So we are going to stay in this hotel with this view. It's going to be amazing.
We are going to stay in Thimphu for 2 days, and Hotel Park will be our stay for these 2 days. We are going to explore this city.
So, for the Wi-Fi, so for the Wi-Fi, you just use the Wi-Fi. So,
After freshening up at hotel, we are out to explore the city, and we halted at Thija Sports Bar for our dinner over here. So today we'll wind up by having a dinner at Thija Sports Bar.
इंडिया में हम ओरिगेनो खाते हैं, ओरिगेनो के साथ पिज्ज़ा खाते हैं, ओरिगेनो एंड चिली फ्लेक्स. यहाँ पे ये चटनी देते हैं, चटनी के साथ खाते हैं. कैसा लगा ये चटनी? अमेजिंग, कुछ बहुत ही नया कंसेप्ट है. चटनी के साथ पिज्ज़ा ट्राई करना है तो भूटान आना पड़ेगा. लहसुन चटनी. तो क्या बोल रहे हैं आप, किसकी चटनी है वो?
गार्लिक चटनी, गार्लिक की चटनी है, उसकी बात कर रहा
और अब खुश क्यों हो रहे थे इतना अभी?
हूं. मैं खुश इसलिए हो रहा था कि आपके ब्लॉग में आने वाला हूं मैं आज.
यस,
इसकी ज्यादा खुशी है गार्लिक चटनी से.
आपको खुशी है इस बात सब ना, everyone is high on food over here. चटनी, लहसुन की चटनी, पिज्जा.
Thank you so much.
ऐसे 3 कटोरी खत्म किए हमने. एक दो तीसरा किधर गया? यहाँ पे दिया ना.
इससे वो सीमेंट से काम नहीं करते.
बहुत ही अमेजिंग है.
So this is how we winded up our day 1 in Bhutan. Majority of time we were in bus, but the views we witnessed on our journey to Thimphu were just mesmerizing and amazing. That made our day totally. Tomorrow we'll be doing sightseeing in Thimphu city. I will be uploading that in my next vlog. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.